Welcome to our channel. How to go from broke at 50 to retired at 60. Is this even possible? You may ask. Step 1. Face reality and reset your financial foundation. At 50, the first step is brutal honesty. You must know exactly where you stand. Every debt, every bill, every asset. Cut all unnecessary expenses immediately and adopt a survival mindset for at least 12 to 24 months. This is not the time for comfort. It's the time for correction. Build a strict budget, stop lifestyle inflation completely, and prioritize eliminating high-interest debt, especially credit cards. At the same time, establish a small emergency fund, $1,000 to $3,000, to avoid falling back into debt. This phase is about stabilizing your financial life and stopping the bleeding.
Step 2. Increase income aggressively. This is non-negotiable. You cannot retire in 10 years without significantly increasing your income. Your job alone may not be enough. You need to stack income streams. Over time, side hustles, freelancing, consulting, or monetizing a skill. Focus on high-income skills, IT, cybersecurity, AI tools, consulting, etc., or leverage your experience to earn more. At this stage, your goal is not balance, it's acceleration. Every extra dollar should have a purpose, either killing debt or building assets. This is where most people fail. They try to save their way out instead of earning their way out.
Step 3. Invest with precision and discipline. Once debt is under control and income increases, shift aggressively into investing. Maximize tax-advantaged accounts like RRSP and TFSA in Canada or 401k/IRA in the US. Focus on simple, proven strategies, index funds, S&P 500, dividend stocks, or real estate if possible. Avoid risky speculation. At 50, you don't have time to recover from major losses. Consistency beats complexity. Invest every paycheck without fail. Even $1,500 to $3,000 per month compounded over 10 years can create a powerful financial base. The key is discipline, not timing the market.
Step 4. Design your exit strategy. Retirement is a plan, not a hope. Retiring at 60 requires a clear target. How much do you need monthly to live? Reverse engineer that number and build toward it. Consider downsizing your home, relocating to a lower-cost area, or even retiring abroad if it makes financial sense. Eliminate all major debts before retirement. This is critical. Build income streams that continue paying you dividends, rental income, pension, etc. Retirement is not about stopping work. It's about gaining control. If you execute with discipline, intensity, and focus, going from broke at 50 to financially stable, even free, by 60 is absolutely possible.